We thank the Commission for its report. The Commission's findings highlight Israel's failure as the occupying power to fulfill its obligations under the Fourth Geneva Convention and customary international law to protect the Palestinian population and safeguard their right to life amidst genocide. As the Commission finds, settler violence in the West Bank functions as a means of implementing Israeli state policy aimed at displacing Palestinians and facilitating the annexation of territory. Israeli security forces have acted as a shield for violence, accompanying and protecting settlers during attacks against Palestinian civilians. Furthermore, Palestinians are systematically labeled as terrorists to justify the use of deadly force against them. Israel's law and institutions are insufficient to deter settler violence. Widespread impunity driven by police inaction and defiances within the justice system enables settler attacks. While settlers often face little to no accountability, Palestinians are subject to harsher treatment and a discriminatory legal system, further perpetuating inequality and violence. Accordingly, internationallawyers.org demands the end of the unlawful occupation, urges immediate measures to ensure the protection of the Palestinian people, calls on the international community to refrain from aiding or assisting this illegal situation, and urges the Commission to recognize that Israel's settler actions constitute acts contributing to the genocide being committed by Israel. Thank you.